Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 comparing quantity, exercise 8.3, question number 2. Question 2 है Kamla borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum, compound yearly. What will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loans? Here principal is given 26,400 rupees and rate is given 15% per annum and time is 2 years 4 months. So we found amount here. Okay, amount is the money that Kamla pay at the last 2 years 4 month. Clear? So how can you find amount? The formula for amount is that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to power n. Here time is given 2 years 4 months. Time is equal to 2 years 4 months. Okay, time is 2 years 4 months is given here. So first you find amount for 2 years. After this we found amount of 1 by 4 month means 4 by 12 years. Okay, so first we find amount for 2 years and after this we find interest, simple interest, and we take this amount as a principal for 4 months. Okay, and we convert 4 months in 1 years in years. So you know that 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, this is clear? Or you can say 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year. Okay, or 4 months is equal to 12 by 4, 4 by 12 years, or you can say 1 by 3 year. Okay, this is clear? Okay, so let's see. We solve this question. First given principal. Here principal is given. What is the principal? Principal is rupees 26,400. Rate is equal to 50% per annum. PM is per annum and time is equal to 2 year 4 months. Okay, so we change it 2 years plus 4 months. Okay, so first we find amount for 2 years. Amount for 2 years. Amount for 2 years is equal to, we use amount formula, principal into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n means time. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, so we put here the value of P value of R and value of T. After putting the value of P is, this is 26,400 into 1 plus 15 by 100 power 2. Clear? 15 by 100 power 2. So if you cancel it, this is amount is equal to 26,400 into 1 plus, you cancel here by 5, 5 to 15 and 5 to 10 5 20 100. So you can write here 3 by 20 power 2. Clear? Now 20 1 20 plus 3 23. Okay, so we can write here amount is equal to 26,400 into 1 into 23 by 20 to the power 2. Clear? So you can write it like this: A is equal to 26,400 into 23 into 23 by 20 into 20. So 1 0 1 0 cancel here. Clear? And if you cancel it by 2, so you obtain here 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja. Okay, now again you cancel it, so you obtain here 6 and 6, 6 2 ja 12 and 6 2 ja 12. Then you obtain here 66 into 23 into 23. So what is the 23 into 23? If you multiply it 23 by 23, you obtain 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 3 2 ja 6, again 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so this is 9, 6 plus 6 12, carry 1, and 4 plus 1 5. So you can say 23 into 23, this is equal to 529. So you can write here, and here we have 66. So 66 into 529. Okay, this is our amount. Clear? Wait. This implies that A is equal to, this is amount is equal to 66 into 529. Clear? Now we multiply 66 into 529. Then what we obtained? So let's see. 529, here we multiply it. 529 by 66. Okay. So 6 9 ja 54, carry 5, and 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5 17, carry 1, 6 5 ja 30, 1 31. This is clear. Now again we multiply 6 by 9, 6 by 2 and 6 by 5. So 6 9 ja 54, carry 5, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5 and 17, carry again 1, and 6 5 ja 30, 30 plus 1 31. Okay, this is equal to 4 11 9, this is 4 11 8 9 4. So in this way you have obtained 34,914. Okay, this is the amount we find here. Amount for 2 years is equal to rupees 34,914. Clear? This is the amount for 2 years. And now you find interest for 4 months. 4 months is equal to 4 by 12 years. So we take this amount as a principal, and then we find simple interest. After this, we add the simple interest in this amount. Then we find total amount the Kamala pay after 2 years 4 million. Okay, to complete the loan. Okay, in these questions, principal is given 26,400 rupees. Rate is also given 15% per annum, and time is given 2 years 4 months. So first we find amount for 2 years. After this we find simple interest for 4 months. Okay, and we take principal is this amount 34,914 we take as a principal, and find simple interest. So let's see. Clear? So we erase it. Now the principal is simple interest. Simple interest for 4 months is equal to, the formula is P into R into T by 100. Okay, this is formula to find simple interest. Okay, so rate is given. Rate is 15% is given. Time is, what is time? Time is 4 months. So here time is in years. So we convert in years. Okay, so 4 by 12 years you can see. Time is equal to 4 by 12 years. Rate is given 15%, and principal is this amount. This amount is work as a principal here. So you can write here principal for this. Okay, so principal is equal to, we can write here rupees 34,914. This is principal, and rate is equal to 15% per annum. Clear? And time is equal to, this is 4 months. This is equal to 4 by 12 years. Clear? 4 by 12 years. This is given. Okay. Now, so we put the value of principal, rate, and time. Okay. So this is equal to, principal is 34,000. Okay. 914. This is a principal, into time is 15%, into rate is 15%. This is 12 by 100. Clear? So we can cancel it. 4 3 ja 3 times, and 3 5 ja 5 times. Clear? Now we multiply it by 5. So we obtain 5 4 ja 20, 0 carry 2, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 7, again 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, and 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 4 24, carry 2, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 2 17 by 100. So you can obtain here 1700. 100 cancel. Okay. So and you use decimal here. You can write here 4, 5, point and 7. Okay. This is our simple interest. This is our simple interest for 4 months. This is a 1745.7 rupees. This is a simple interest for 4 months. Okay, and this is the amount for 2 years. Clear? Now we find the total amount to pay after 2 years 4 months. So total amount is equal to amount for 2 years is 34,914 plus simple interest here 1745.7 rupees. Okay, so sum it and we obtain 36,659. 36,659.70. Okay, this is the amount she will pay after 2 years 4 months. Okay, so Kamla take loans for scooter. He takes 26,400 rupees at the rate 50% and for 2 years 4 months. After 2 years 4 months, what amount she will pay? The amount she will pay after 2 years 4 months is 36,659.7 rupees. She will pay. How we find it? We find it first. We find the amount after for 2 years. Okay. First we find the amount for 2 years. Here principal is given 26,400 and rate is 15% per month per annum and time is given 2 years 4 months. Okay. So first we find amount for 2 years and we putting the value of principal times and the rate. The in formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. Then you find the amount is 34,914 rupees. After this you find interest for 4 months. So we change 4 months in years. So it's become 4 by 12 years. 4 by 12 year, and we know that how to find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PRT. P means principal, R means rate, T means time by 100. Okay. Here principal. What is the principal? We take principal this amount. This amount treat as a principal for 4 months after 2 years. Okay. So this is the principal. Time is same. Rate is same 15% and time is 4 months. We convert 4 months in years, so we obtain 4 by 12 year. Okay, so we put here, and in this way you can see we find the simple interest is 1,745.7 rupees. Okay, after this we find total amounts that she will pay after 2 years 4 months. So we sum it and we obtain here 36,659.70 rupees Kamla pay to the bank after 2 years 4 months. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, and now we are going to discuss next question Question number 3. Question number 3. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. Okay, so here given the principal is 12,500, rate is 12% per annum, and time is 3 years for simple interest. Okay, and next condition is that Radha borrow the same amount for the same time. Same amount means 12,500, same time in 3 years, and the rate is change here 10% per annum. Okay, compound annually. Fabina take its simple interest, and Radha take its compound interest. Okay, so who pay more interest and how much? So first we find simple interest and compound interest, and after this we find the difference between them. Then we take decisions who pay more interest. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood how to solve it. Okay, so here given in both case time is same, principal is same. Principal is 12,500, time is 3 years, but way of interest is different. Fabina take in simple interest and Radha take in compound interest, and the rate is also different. Fabina paid to rate 12% per annum, and Radha is 10% per annum. Okay, so first we find separately the interest of both condition. After this we take decisions to pay more interest. Okay, so let's see. Here we first find the simple interest for Fabina. That formula is P into R into T by 100. P is given 12,500. This is related to, this is belong to principals. T is times 3 years, and R is rate. This is also given 15%. You can see in questions. So we put here, and after this we calculate this, and we find simple interest for 3 years for Fabina. So you can see here 12,500 into time, rate is 12%, time is 3 years by 100. This is cancelled. Okay, and 125 multiplied by 3, this is equal to 125 multiplied by 3, this is equal to 375 into 12. Okay, and this is equal to 375 into 12. So 12 5 is 60, and 12 7 is 84. 84 plus 6 90, and 0 again we carry 9, and 12 3 is 12 3 is 44 plus 9, sorry, 12 3 is 36 plus 9 55. So you can see here the simple interest for Fabina is 4,500 rupees. Okay, now we find simple interest, compound interest for Radha. So compound interest for Radha is equal to, you can write here, this is a formula to find compound interest, 1 plus R by 100 power n minus 1. In this way you can find compound interest. Okay, so and in this compound interest, okay, for Radha time is 3 years, amount is 12,500, but rate is different. Rate is, what is the rate for Radha? 10%. per annum. Okay, so here repeat. So here you can see 12,500 into 1 plus R is 10% by 100 power 3 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 12,000. This is cancelled. Okay, and you can write it like this: 12,500 into this becomes 10. So 10 1 ja 10 plus 1 11. So this is 11 by 10 power 3 minus 1. Clear? This is this. Okay. So you can write here 12,500 into here 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10 into 10 into 10 minus 1. Clear? So you can again write it 12,500 into 11 into 11 into 11, this is equal to 121. After this into 11 again, then you find 1,331. Okay, this is equal to 1,331 by 1,000 minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, you can write here 12,500 into 1,331 minus 1,000. Okay, divide by 1,000. Clear? If you subtract it, you find here 331 by thousands. Okay, so we erase this. This is simple interest for Fabina, 4,500 rupees. Okay, and we find CI. CI means compound interest. Okay, CI means compound interest. This is equal to 12,500 into here we obtain 331 by 1,000. 1 0 2 0 cancel here. Okay, and here you obtain 12.50 into 331. This is equal to, if you multiply 12.5 into 331, you obtain 16,637. We obtain here 4,137. 4,137.50. Okay, so this is a compound interest for Radha, and this is a simple interest for Fabina. So you can see here this is a 4,137.50 rupees, and this is a, you can write here compound interest here rupees. Okay, and this is a 4,500 rupees. So who pay more interest? So obviously you can say Fabina pay more interest. Clear? How much? So find the difference between them. You can take how much Fabina pay more interest. So here Fabina pay more interest. How much? So extra interest paid by Fabina is equal to, write extra amount, extra interest pay by Fabina is equal to rupees 4,500 minus rupees. This is a interest by Radha 4137.50. Clear? And this is equal to 362 rupees 362.50. Okay. So from the above discussion you can see Habina pay interest is 4,500 rupees and Radha is a pay compound interest is 4,137.50 and Habina pay simple interest 4,500 rupees. So you can see here Habina pay more interest. How much? So extra interest pay by Habina is 4,500 minus 4,137.50. This is equal to 362.50. So student, I hope all of you understood this question and enjoy with comparing quantity. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.